How to amend a tax return with H&R Block. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can amend your tax return with H&R Block for the year 2025. So first of all, you need to gather all the necessary documents. So collect all the documents from your initial return, including the Form 1040X, amended US individual income tax return, and any supporting documentation. Then after, log in or create an account with H&R Block account and access your online account or create one if necessary. Start the amendment process. Find the section to amend your return or complete Form 1040X and H&R Block will guide you. Fill in the information from your original return and make the necessary changes. H&R Block software will guide you through this process. And make sure all the changes are correct and you have provided the necessary supporting documents. File your amended return. Follow the H&R Block's instruction to submit your return electronically. An electronic submission may be free depending on your situation. Also, keep a copy of your documents relating to your amendment return, including Form 1040X, and they may be useful if the IRS, which is Internal Revenue Service, has any questions. Also, track the status of your return. Regularly check the H&R Block Online platform to see the progress of your return processing and any communications from the IRS. So, this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.